Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So if your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches, you can try to soft reset it, and basically all we have to do in order to do that is to press the power button, which is located on the right side, and press it long enough until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button, and as you can see here we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. What is more, here we've got the information that we have to press this button to restart it. As you can see, we've got the black screen. Right now we've got the developer's logo, so I will release the finger. You will also feel the vibration, and right now your device will basically restart the system and hopefully work perfectly fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.